Hello YouTubers. In this video, we're going to be changing out the wheels on my 2009 Saab 9.3 Aero cross-wheel drive. If you recall, when I first purchased this car, this project car, it came with those gray wheels from American Racing, and I didn't like them. So when I purchased the car from the seller, I asked if he had the originals, and he did, and he supplied them with the sale of the car. So I quickly moved to get those wheels put on, if you recall, in a previous video. And so when I had these put on, I recalled the tire shop telling me that they're bent. The seller didn't tell me they were bent. He told me that he had them, but did not disclose that the wheels were bent, which is probably why he had on the other wheels. In any event, we got to move on, move forward, and we're going to fix that problem with this video. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing out these wheels with brand new OEM, factory original, new in the box, Saab 9.3 wheels. These wheels are very rare. I would say maybe I bought the last set. Don't know. But they're brand new in the box. I got them from eSaabparts.com, and I think I got a very good deal on them. So what we're going to be doing is changing them out, but I wanted to first go over the car with you like this. This is the last time you're going to see it like this. It's going to get changed out to something a bit better and very unique. I would say that the new wheels on the red car, on the red 9.3, is going to be one of one on YouTube. I've searched YouTube and I cannot find another video with my new wheels on a red car. That doesn't make the car better. That doesn't make this YouTube video better. It's just going to be a rare combination, is all I'm saying. And I think when you see these wheels, you're going to be shocked at how nice they are. I love the look. I love the style. It's going to give it a little bit more prominence, a little bit more sophistication. When you see it, it's just going to look the business. And this is the last time we'll see it like this. If I can, I'll probably take these off and get the bend fixed. Otherwise, the wheels are in perfect shape. The outside of the wheels are in perfect shape. No curb rash, no issues with the paint. The wheels are great. The only problem is on the inside, they're bent. By doing this, I'm also thinking I'm going to resolve another problem that I've been chasing. And if you've watched those videos on my wheel spacers, I'm wondering if these wheels with the bends, even though the tires balance out, the tire shop showed me that they balanced out to 0, didn't need any weights. After they applied the first set of weights, didn't need a second round of weights. The wheels do balance out. There's still a bend in it. As you could see it as it was spinning, it was. Anyway, I think the bend can be fixed, but I'm not going to fix these wheels if I can, I'm not going to fix these wheels for my purpose. I'm going to fix these wheels to sell. I'm going to put on these new wheels, and I think it's just going to look great. Yeah, so let's get one last look of it like this, and then we will show you what we bought. Open it so you don't see my address. Beach drives on that. Brand new. 17 by 7.5 ALU 81s. Love it. Those are going to look good. Sharp. Perfect. All right. Let's load these into that and take them to the shop. So here's the underside. Nails. 7.5 by 17 Saab Here's your part number. I'm a lucky guy. Okay, here we are back from the tire shop. The wheels are installed. That looks fan-friggin-tastic. One thing to note on those wheels, those are 17 by 7.5. And it says it, 17 by 7.5. But the wheels that came off the car are right here, 7J by 17. The J is the width. So the original wheels are smaller than those. You know, I still have wheel spacers on this thing, and I can't tell that it looks wider on the outside. To me, it looks pretty close to where it was. But as I said, or may have said in this video or another one, this is how it should have come from the factory. Wheel spacers, bringing it out to the edge of the wheel, not all the way out where you see it everywhere. Just, this is, if you went to the dealership and bought a new one in 2009, this is how it should have looked. But that's not what they did. And regarding the wheel vibration that I had experienced on the way home, of course I drove it down the interstate, and no vibration at all. Zero, it's all gone. I'm guessing all four wheels were bent, not just two, because I could feel it in the steering wheel, but it must be all four wheels are bent. And I went up to 90 miles an hour, no play, no vibration. Just minding his own business, cruising down the interstate. I think, like I said earlier, this is going to be a one of one on the internet or on YouTube. Red one with these wheels. To me, that just looks the business. Gave it a bubble bath when I got home. That is sharp. Well, that's it for this video, YouTubers. If you like the video, like the video.